The Vogue CU250 has been launched. It offers the ultimate riding experience with 4 major advantages that surpass its peers in both power and control. The Vogue CU250 has attracted the attention of many motorcycle enthusiasts with its unique design and performance. It is Vogue's first cruiser with a round headlight design and V-twin engine shape. The round headlight, round indicator, water drop-shaped fuel tank, retro seat cushion and dual exhaust pipes. All these elements work together to create a motorcycle full of power and retro style. Its appearance not only looks very full, but also gives people the illusion of a large-volume motorcycle. In comparison, the single-cylinder engine of the Dongfeng CLC250 and the parallel twin-cylinder engine of the Haojue TR300 look a little thinner. It is equipped with a newly developed V-twin cylinder 250 engine with a maximum power of 20 kilowatts. In comparison, the Dongfeng CLC250 at the same level has 18.5 kilowatts, the Benda Jinjila V-twin 250 has 19 kilowatts, and even the Haojue TR300 has only 21.5 kilowatts. The engine is equipped with a balance shaft, which greatly reduces vibration. In the actual test from 2000 to 8000 RPM, the vibration conditions were within the acceptable range, and there was no obvious resonance range. What is more surprising is that even at high speeds, the rearview mirror can still be clearly seen. The only drawback of this engine is that the low-end torque is a little lacking at low speeds below 2000 RPM, but the overall performance is still excellent and the sound is very pleasant. It has a wheelbase of 1,460 mm and a forward inclination angle of 28.5 degrees, which gives it excellent sports performance. The chassis height is also relatively high, which improves maneuverability. In terms of comfort, the front shock absorber setting is relatively soft, so you won't feel bumpy when going over potholes or bumps. The seat cushion design is wide and soft, and the driving triangle is also relatively stretched, so you won't feel tired after a long ride. Although the rear seat is not large, it is relatively soft and equipped with larger armrests, which increases the comfort when carrying people. For beginners, the seat height is a concern. The seat height is 710 mm, meaning a rider with a height of 1.75 meters can put both feet flat on the ground without any pressure. Since the bike weighs only 172 kilograms, even a rider with a height of about 1.60 centimeters can ride it comfortably.